Hey, this is my cat Teddy, and I have been brushing him with a cat brush every day, so he gets used to it. And he actually doesn't mind it. And this is just a basic self-cleaning brush. You like it, yeah? But then I thought, is there anything better than this? Maybe something different? And I built one out of Lego. Shall we try out and see which one he prefers better? The basic cat brush or Lego one? It only took me a couple of minutes to build this little brush, and I was actually quite happy. I had all the pieces I needed, even for the handle. This is starting to look like a real brush. One more click and it's complete. I can't wait to try it on Teddy and see what he thinks. I'll start with his normal brush first, just to get him ready and in the mood. He's only kitten, so we started brushing only a couple weeks ago. Oh, this is so relaxing. I can't see much hair on this. Okay, a few more seconds and I think Teddy's ready to try Lego brush. Alright Teddy, let's try this one. What do you think? He likes it. Oh, I'm so happy. He has approved it. Let me try brushing it. Oh, look. I think he really likes it. I think he wants to play with it. He's trying to snatch it off me. Oh, I need to work on a better handle. This is not a very strong handle. Let me try the back. Ah, this is so good. I think Teddy thinks this is playtime rather than brushing time. I think he really likes it. He just wants to snatch it off me and he wants to bite it. I think we need to also try brushing your tail. What do you think? And your belly? Ah, this is so nice. I think I've brushed him thoroughly and I will let him play with it. Obviously keeping an eye in case he bites off small pieces. Well, something happened. I think Lego brush just failed the durability test. I don't think it was built for playtime. And there is an evidence, it's broken in half. So for everyday brushing, I will definitely stick with the regular cat brush, but for playtime, this Lego one was actually pretty fun, obviously with supervision. It was a really fun little experiment. Thanks Teddy for letting me test it, and I guess not every Lego build survives a cat test. I will be back soon with something new.